In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off news feeds feature on your Opera browser. So I'm on my Opera browser here, and you can see if I scroll down, we have the news feeds where I get the latest update or news in various fields such as latest news as well as even sports. To turn this feature on and off is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. To get started, first go to your Opera browser and open it, and go to this customization feature that is on top. From here, you should see down below here we have this news, which is reader mode, language, and interest. When this feature is turned on, you'll always get news feeds based on your interest. To turn this feature off, just toggle off this, and if you go back now, you can see the news feeds feature has been disabled, and therefore I cannot scroll beyond this. However, if you want this option or the news feeds to appear, again tap on this customization icon and go turn on news here. If you turn it on and go back, now if you scroll back, you can see we have our news feeds. So that's how you can turn on or off your news feeds feature on Opera. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.